So here I have my Breville 870XL. It's time to change the water filter, so I just wanted to kind of give you a quick tutorial on how to do that if you had any questions about it. It's pretty straightforward. What I like to do first off is, if you have your new filter, you need to get a cup of water, just like this, and you're going to want to let that sit in there and soak for 5 minutes. Okay, once that's done, you're going to take this out, and underneath your tap water, you're going to rinse it for 30 seconds on cold water, just to get out any of the impurities or anything that's kind of hanging out on it, and that'll help clean that up. And so after that's done, if you've never done this before, I'm going to show you real quick. So on the back here, there's a reservoir. You can pick it up by grabbing either side at the same time. There's also a little handle up here that you can just pull straight up on and lift out like this. I emptied mine for showing this tutorial, but you know, you will want to empty out that water. So then how to get out the actual filter. Right here, you can see there's a little filter holder. You just pull up on this. There's a little grommet down here that holds this in place, that snaps right on, and we'll go back over how to put this back on in just a second. What you're going to do now, you can see there's a little clip here, little clip here. You just push on both those at the same time, and that comes out. Then you're going to want to just pull out your filter, throw it away, and then after you've gone through your steps of soaking this and rinsing it for 30 seconds, you're then ready to put it back in. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in just as a demonstration. Then you put this back in like that. This you want, and also just so you know, this rounded section goes in first, and then the flat section's on the back. And then all you're going to do is turn this and plug this back in just like that. You're going to hear it click. Nice little thing here. So it's August right now, and so they say that these filters will last for about 2 months. So what you want to do is, I've heard they can go a little bit longer than that, but if you want to just set it for 2 months before or 2 months after, you can just set it right there. You're right about 10 months, so, or at month 10, which is October. So, you know, that way you know, okay, it's time to replace the filter. Then all you're going to do is this little circular area here. It's going to pop right back down on there, and it will be a little tight. You'll kind of hear it pop. And then what you will do is you'll just refill your water, close it up, and then slide it back on the back again. One thing that's kind of nice is the directions here are on your actual water chamber. So you can go through and see exactly how it's done, what you need to do. It's pretty straightforward, but I just figured it might be easier for some people to learn by seeing with the video.